Are you guys taking a look right here? So we're gonna get some chicken. We're gonna break it. Here you guys go. You guys are gonna have the first bite, okay? All right, hey guys, today we're gonna be making General Tso's chicken. General Tso. Anyways, we're gonna start off by just cutting some veggies. I know there's usually no veggies in here, but we're gonna spice it up a little bit, add a little bit of my own twist. So we're gonna cut up some peppers and there. So we're gonna be cutting decent chunks of onion. A little bit different than what I normally cut with. Just tossing these into a pan now. Start up. So while the peppers and onions are frying, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the sauce. So this here you see is everything that we're gonna need. I'm just gonna grab a small container here. So we're gonna start off with about 3 tablespoons of dark soy, okay? So 1, 2, 3. So about 3 tablespoons of dark soy there. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of rice cooking wine. 1, 2, and then about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. So 1, 2, sweet. And what we're gonna do next is about, let's do about 3 tablespoons of sugar. So 1, 2, 3. Actually, we're gonna do 1 more. 4, okay. All right, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna add about some chicken broth. Now, I don't have any chicken broth, so what we're gonna do is I got some instant stock mix and we're just gonna mix it with water. So about probably maybe a teaspoon's worth. Put that in there. 3 tablespoons of water. So 1, 2, 3. And then what we're gonna do is just gonna mix this all together. And then last thing we're gonna do to help, that's what's gonna help thicken up this, the sauce is we're gonna add a little bit of cornstarch, about a tablespoon. Tablespoon of cornstarch. And then we're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil to this. I'm gonna use maybe about just under a teaspoon. We're gonna mix it up, and then this is gonna be our sauce. So from here, what we're gonna do is, all right, now for the aromatics, what we're gonna do is we're going to chop a couple pieces of garlic that we're going to fry with some ginger and some red chilies, or I have chili flakes in this case. And then from there, we're gonna toss the sauce in. Just gonna check on the peppers and onions. They should be relatively good to go soon. Next thing is we're just gonna chop a little bit of ginger. I'm just gonna use about a tablespoon's worth, just by cutting off the edges, but it's all good today. It is a little bit late, so I'm not trying to sleep too late tonight. And then make sure that doesn't fall down. We're gonna put about a little bit of canola oil, fry in the garlic, and then the ginger. Add a teeny bit of chili flakes. Actually a decent amount. Saute for about 30 seconds. Make sure that doesn't brown. That's really important. So put this here. I'm just gonna mix in this sauce right now. So this lovely sauce that we made, General Tso sauce. And just slowly kind of fold it in. Oh man, I'm excited for this. I have some chicken breasts that I cut into slices, and what I did is I put some baking soda in it for about 15 minutes to help tenderize. I rinsed it, and then I rinsed everything off. I put soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of mirin, and salt and pepper. And then I marinated this that's been in the fridge for about a day. We're gonna put about just over a tablespoon of cornstarch in here. And then we're going to take a spoon. We're gonna just toss everything around, and then we're going to fry it. We're gonna fry, we're gonna pan fry it. So instead of deep frying, like the normal General Tso, can you guys let me know if it's General Tso or General Tso? It's funny, ever since I started making videos, I'm trying to talk so much faster for no reason. I actually feel like I'm losing my words. So we're gonna, we have a pan nice and hot with oil. We're just gonna toss all this in. Finish cooking the chicken. The sauce is getting nice and hot. It's getting nice and bubbly. Okay, so the sauce is bubbling up nicely. I'm just gonna try it. Let's see how it tastes. That's really good. So right now I'm just heating up about a decent worth of rice. Quick tip for re-microwaving rice, all you need to do is add a little bit of water. Make sure that it's covered. So that's good, make sure it's covered. So I'm gonna use this tray right here and put it on for about a minute. Cut a little bit more veggies. We're gonna toss that in here. That. So everyone's getting to the party. Everyone's mingling. A nice red color. So, because I don't know necessarily how much sauce there is, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it into the, oh man, that is dark and that is thick. Oh man, that smell is amazing. Wow. Okay, so that looks freaking amazing. There. All we're gonna do is gonna fold that together. I need to try one. 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 Nice piece right here. Oh my god. That is so tender. Oh my god, that's so good. God damn. This is insane. Guys, I'm trying to make this nice for you guys. I'm trying to make this nice for you guys. Oh man. Are you guys taking a look right here? So we're gonna get some chicken. We're gonna break it. Oh my gosh. Here you guys go. You guys are gonna have the first bite, okay? Take that. Look at that steam. Look at that steam. Oh my gosh. This is actually the most tenderest chicken ever. Like, you wouldn't think that this is chicken breast. Honestly, you would not think this is chicken breast. Guys, you gotta try this out. Guys, I gotta finish this. I gotta go to bed. This is like what, 1:30 now. My eyes are freaking watering. I need to chow this down. If you like this video, you guys like this recipe, try it out. Leave me a comment down below. Would really like your feedback. Hit me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more like this. Hope you guys have a good night. Peace.